Need to scan FIFA World Cup code in Panini app? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily scan the code. So the very first thing you wanna do is head over to your application FIFA Panini. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you're in the home page, you will be able to see tons of different options. Click on Scan Content. You can see 3 different options: Scan FIFA World Cup, Scan Coca-Cola products, and stickers from Coca-Cola. As we're looking for to scan FIFA World Cup code, click on the very first option. You have to enable camera, so click on OK, and then move into settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and move into apps. Search for FIFA Panini app and then click on it. Make sure to toggle on camera option. Once it has been toggled on, go back to your application. Once again click on scan. It will open up your camera. Now you need to put a special FCC26 Panini album cover or pack in front of the camera. Once the items is recognized, tap on lock to claim your reward. Once it has been scanned, you will be able to receive different kinds of rewards, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.